it's pasta time. Measuring cup, thermometers. Today I'm boiling 2 pots of water, and each one of them I measured out 3 liters of water, so that they're both the same, and they are both using my thermometers at 12 degrees Celsius. So my 2 pots of water are going to be here on my stove. The only difference is that one of them is going to get a lid. So you might already guess that the one with the lid on it will get to boiling faster than the one without a lid. I'm going to time it today and see how long it actually takes. So I'll get the knobs going and... Okay, so we're about 2.5 minutes in and my temperature is up to a whopping 21 degrees Celsius. It went from 12 to 21 in just under 3 minutes. Every gram of water requires 4.184 joules to raise its temperature 1 degree. That's every gram, every 1 degree, that's 4.184 joules. So if we use our equation, Q equals Cm delta T, and I have 3 liters of water, so that's 3,000 grams, times 4.184, times the 88 degrees it's going to need to get up to 100, and that's 1.1 million joules that has to go into those pots. I think we're going to be here for a while. So this one's definitely boiling now, and we're going to take the lid off of that, just double check, verify that it's got up to 100 degrees. And this one over here is only at 80 degrees, 79 degrees. And we're at 11 minutes, 12 minutes, almost exactly. I'm just going to let it go and see how long it takes this one to get up to boiling as well. Woo, look at that boiling. So the whole time I was heating this pot of water, the energy that was going in was just making the water molecules move faster and faster and faster as the higher temperatures were reached. And then finally, when it gets to 100, which is its boiling point, the water molecules have enough energy then to actually break free from each other and start going around my kitchen. So the second pot of water is now up at 100, and our time is 16 minutes and 51 seconds. So the lid made this one go faster by almost 5 minutes, okay? And it works for 2 reasons. First, the lid actually traps the radiant heat. Now radiant heat, thermal energy, infrared energy is kind of like light, except we just can't see it. But it's trying to escape, but the lid actually keeps it in and kind of makes it bounce around in there. Second of all, as you get close to boiling, you start getting some steam, and those are the water molecules that have the most energy, and they're getting to boiling the fastest. So they have the most energy and they're leaving, and that process actually cools the remaining water. So putting a lid on the one pot saved me like 5 minutes, right? And assuming that my 2 burners are giving the same amount of heat at the same rate, I just saved 30%. Those water molecules are sneaky. But if you put a lid on it, you'll keep them in there. Keep them.